List, create, delete, and modify physical storage partitions. Disk is a storage device that can be used as a simple entity or broken up into one or more partitions. All storage devices or disks can be found at the location /dev. Partitions are segments of a disk, making it easy to manage each segment separately. To create these partitions on a disk or storage device, we will use the commands such as fdisk, gdisk, and parted. To list all devices on the system, simply type ls/dev to list all the devices on the system. We are going to use the device /dev/xvdf. So to see whether the disk has a partition, simply type fdisk -l/dev and then xvdf sudo fdisk -l dev xvdf. We see it's a 3 GB disk and there are no partitions. To create a new partition, simply type sudo fdisk/dev and the device name xvdf. And for new, so create new partition, P for primary, that's our first partition. So we're gonna make this partition 1 gig. So plus 1G. And then we can change the type to see the list of the label, to label your partition L. And it tells you how you can label it FAT12, Linux swap. But we're gonna leave the defaults. To save the partition, hit W, hit enter, then clear. To see the partition that you've created, simply type sudo fdisk -l and then the device name. As you can see, you have one partition on the system, which is 1 gig, and the type is Linux. To remove this partition, simply type, you can sudo fdisk/dev xvdf, then D for delete, and then partition 1 has been deleted. You gotta write type W to write to the system. Now when we go type sudo fdisk-l/dev xvdf, we can see there's no partitions. We're gonna create one more partition, sudo fdisk and a device name, new, primary. Let's set the defaults. The size, we want it to be 1 gig. We will write clear to modify the partition you just created. Type sudo fdisk/dev/xvdf. You can type M, hit enter to help. You can see D, delete to partition, L, list known partition types, T, change a partition type. So we're going to use T to change the partition type of the partition we just created. So we're going to type T, and then the selected partition is created. And we're going to change to see the list of the types. Type L. We're going to change it to Linux swap by typing the number 82 and hit enter. As you can see, the type of the partition is changed from Linux to Linux swap. Type W to save and quit. Thank you for watching.